Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of moisture analyzer. 1. Moisture analyzer measurements are based on the thermogravimetric principle, where moisture is determined from the weight loss of a sample dried by heating. 2. Sodium tartrate dihydrate is used to check the accuracy of measurement for the analyzer, as it has an approximate moisture content of 15.66%. 3. Ensure no dirt enters between the casing and the pan. If found, remove the pan, clean the dirt, and then replace the pan. 4. In case of improper operation caused by a short-lasting power supply decay, unplug the balance from the mains and then plug it back in after a few seconds. 5. If drying lasts too long, increase the temperature and reduce the sample mass. 6. If the sample does not contain enough volatile matter, increase the sample size. 7. If the sample is liquid or paste, use a glass fiber filter. 8. If the sample burns down, reduce the temperature, use a glass fiber filter on top of the sample, reduce sample quantity, and distribute it uniformly on the pan. 9. Use one pan for one sample only. 10. Do not use the analyzer when its cover is open. 11. Do not use the analyzer in explosive conditions. 12. Do not use the analyzer in high humidity. 13. If the device seems not to operate properly, unplug it from the mains and use a different power supply. 14. Do not use the moisture analyzer to weigh ferromagnetic materials as it can deteriorate measurement precision. 15. Distribute the sample all over the pan without pressing the pan with your hand. 16. Ensure the sample does not absorb moisture from the environment. 17. Place the sample in uniform layers 2 to 5 mm thick, weighing 5 to 15 gram, depending on the substance. 18. When drying liquids, pastes, or substances that may melt or lose liquid during drying, use glass fiber filters. 19. Avoid burning the sample. 20. When analyzing the same substance quantity in successive measurements, use the same tools to ensure consistent sample size. 21. Oxidized materials or thickening on the surface need slow drying. Resistant materials can use fast drying. 22. Do not use the moisture analyzer as a normal balance for weighing applications. 23. Ensure sufficient free space around the instrument to avoid heat accumulation and overheating, 25 centimeters around the moisture analyzer, and 1 meter from the top of the device. 24. Keep flammable and hazardous solvents away from the instrument. 25. Set up the moisture analyzer in a well-ventilated location. 26. The following parameters affect the measurements: sample size, drying temperature, testing mode, and drying time. 27. Calibrate the moisture analyzer with standard weights regularly. 28. Avoid the breeze from air conditioners and vibrations. 29. A hot sample pan may cause an error. Allow the pan to cool before the next test. 30. Ensure proper earthing. 31. Use a stabilizer for better results and longer instrument life. Thank you.